Hello everyone, this is Devlita from PCS Global Pvt. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous sessions, I've talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the basic knowledge about life, about study. So in my today's session, I'm going to talk about something that is the behavioral approach which you need to follow to work in an organization and what kind of decorum you need to follow as per your organization's protocol. So guys, in my today's scene, what I'm going to discuss with you that is it bad sign to be being too nice in your workplace? What do you think? As per the research, what I get to know from several sites like LinkedIn and other sites also from their article that being too nice in your workplace can harm your career, can ruin your career also. So why it can happen with you? So guys, in my today's session, I'm going to discuss about this. So from our childhood days, we always thought to be nice with other people, right? And in our school, in our college days also, we always try to make friends and we always behave like a good person. And this is the moral of our family that family values always treat us to be friendly with other people. But does it work in your workplace? What do you think? So in my today's session, I will try to give you the idea why the research, all those research are showing that to be too good in workplace can affect your career. So everyone wants to have good relations with each other, right? In the workplace. Sometimes people try too hard to please others. And that is one of the reasons why they are too nice at all the time. It might be they are too nice, it might be your disposition to be extra nice. Okay. And you might think that it puts you in a better position than others. But think again. Being nice is good. However, if you are too nice all the time at work, that then it comes with a lot of drawback for so the possibility, the first drawback that is the possibility of being overlooked. Wondering why you have not gotten a promotion. Well, you are too nice. Nature can be a reason for that. Competitive people tend to get what they want. If you're too nice, then there is a possibility that you are overlooked for all the efforts that you put in at work. People don't take you too seriously and will only compliment you for being nice, not for the work that you provide. People do not respect you. The possible thing can happen with you that is people do not respect you. If you are too nice, then people will automatically respect you less. Since you have nothing to say to them in response, they will get away with saying or doing anything. You will eventually find that you are not as respected as many others in the workplace. So this is extremely demotivating for you as an employee or an employer. So you have taken advantage of. It can also happen. You have taken advantage of. People will take advantage of your niceness. If you have a difficult time saying no, then you will find yourself in a lot of trouble. Your employer might start giving you more work than you are paid for, or your employees will start asking for things that you can't provide them. This works in both ways for the employees and the employer. Your niceness can cost you your time and your resources as other people will always out to take advantage of you as much as they can. So people might not listen to you. Have you seen employees or employers that are completely ignored? Well, one of the main reasons for this happening is their nice nature. People start taking you for granted and don't listen to you. So this is mostly because they don't take what you are saying seriously and do things their way. For instance, if you are an employer who's too nice and you are given specific details about a deadline, then there is a possibility that you won't get it in the time because your employees know that you won't have anything to say to them. You are assumed as being fake. People don't always believe that you are nice for no reason. They will start assuming that you put on a fake persona and have a hidden agenda for your niceness. This will put you in a difficult position as people will start thinking of all your actions in a negative perspective. Much different than what you are hoping. So make sure that there is moderation when it comes to being nice. Too much niceness can make things extremely difficult for you. So try your best not to exude more nicely than is needed in the workplace. Learn to say no and let others respect you. Otherwise, things can fall back for your potential. Okay. So, guys, being too nice can affect yourself. Yes, this is the right thing, and always being as you are. And if you face any problem, kindly discuss with your management in proper way, in an upfront way. Don't be too nice to or hesitate to discuss about the reason why you are getting demotivated. Okay, so always try to be genuine. And in PCS Global, what we do, we provide you the environment to be genuine person and to work as you are. So, if you wanted to join PCS Global, kindly communicate with us. We are providing you the opportunity to start your career through PCS Global. We are providing the EILC internship process. We are providing the TILC process. The only thing you need to do, you just need to connect with us. PCS Global is not only not in Kolkata. PCS Global is in Bengal, PCS Global is in Singapore also. The only thing you need to do, just need to connect with us to get to know how you can join PCS Global, what are the process and what are the internships are going on in PCS Global. So these are the things, guys. If you find my videos are helpful, if you think that it can help you in your life, in your career growth, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and please comment below. For now, bye.